For me, good food is about comfort, connection and balance. This spicy Indian pork belly is proof you can have all three. It's bold with flavors, surprisingly simple, and a delicious reminder that healthy cooking doesn't mean giving up big flavors. Let me show you how easy it is. So we're going to add some oil to a pan and let that oil heat up. We're going to add our garlic, ginger, and give that a quick stir. Next I'm going to add my chilies, and I'm using bird's eye chilies because they've got the heat and I want this to be a chili pork, so as much as chilies that you can tolerate. Just stir this till the ginger and garlic releases its aroma. My pork goes in next. And we're going to sear this pork. So just let it sit like that for a few minutes without stirring it. I'm going to add my salt and give this a stir. I'm going to try and render some fat here so that it cooks in its own fat and adds to the flavor. That's starting to brown now. That's looking good. So that's starting to caramelize nicely, as you can see there, and I've got a little bit of the pork fat rendering. So that's smelling really, really good. I'm going to give this another 5 minutes. Okay, look at that. So take your time here, because there's not a lot of ingredients in this dish, and this one step will add so much flavor. Okay, I'm happy with the way that is looking. So in goes my turmeric, cumin, coriander, and I'm going to turn the heat down a bit. Mix through all those spices. This is a nice dry dish, so just stir this for a minute or so. You'll smell the spices release its aroma. I can smell the spices now, so that is looking good. Okay, once the spices are cooked through, I'm going to go in with some warm water. And I'm going to put the lid on and let this cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. So I'll see you back in 30 minutes. If this pork belly's got you hooked, wait till you see what else I've been cooking. Have a look at my pork belly playlist linked in the description below. Okay, it's time to check on my curry. This has been cooking for about 20 minutes. That looks good. Smells good too. So as you can see, it has got a little bit of sauce or gravy. You can leave it like that at this stage if you want it to be a bit saucy, but I want to dry this up a little bit more. So I'm going to turn up the heat. I'm just going to check my meat is cooked. My meat is nice and tender, so I'm just going to turn the heat down, add my onions. Mix that through. I'm going to add some spring onion. Now this is completely optional. I just had some leftover spring onion, so I just want to give this a bit of color. That is looking good. It's dried up nicely. That's how I like it. Or as I mentioned, you can add a bit of water. And there you have it, a simple Indian pork belly that's anything but boring. If you're hungry for more, hit subscribe and stick around for my next delicious recipe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.